gayang kuta ha, ang square super kabulong. Dapat kita pako. Good morning! Welcome to the third day of case vacation in my place. And as of now, we are going to have this so-called harvesting of fern. Fern, which can be used in cooking as gulay. Okay, so from here, we are going to pick or choose. What's this? Fern. Oh my God. I can see. Where is it now? So just like this. So here, one and another. So this is newly what do you call this? The pako that we should get in order to cook. Look at this. So they are so fresh. In one area, you can get as many as 5. Look. So we have it here. This is only in front of my place. And still we have plenty of this when we go in that area. So come on, join us in picking. And later you will see how are we going to cook this by adding the most essential ingredient, and that is nyog or lubi in our term, in English coconut. So can you see this? Oh, here are some of the pako that we are going to cook, and later we are going to visit a place, either Zoe or the brook that we have here, a very near one in our place, and that is known as Tupaz. So, as we gather all this pako, we're going to show you how many pako we could get. So far, I'm gonna place it here. And later, you will see that this will be full of pako.
Nag-2 box. Hindi ka pata lang high. Churanes.
May araw, may adlaw man talaga. Wala ba yan si Sir? Maharap na ba yan? No! Sir! Parang ka talaga, Sir. Ang pinto! Ako ko tabaga, sabo ako mag-lock. Ang pinto ko. O, na kayo marami ni kuha ah. Di ba mo pa yun, sir? Diri, no? Aha? Di ko na yun. Ha?
Hindi ko na yung kuha nga nakibahan.
Oo! Mo yung masiram. Kaya baga kung nahigis ko sa probinsya, may nagugutom. Babae, ano, ang sindera, baba, hindi ba nag-project sa bayo, dami. Kung nagpaano ka mo sa to, alig mo kami tiro. Ang ganyan ko ta, ha? Ang square, sobra kabulong. Uy, bakit naglag niyan, ha? Hindi na yung baga dito. Kata ka dito ka tan. Damba na. Diba?
Pasitos.
Labuyo, siling pasitis. No?
Labuyo ba? Siling pasites?
Magayon niya sa ano, ang dahon soon.
Sa tinola. Aday ko di puta. Di puta. Di puta.
Oo.
Pero ba't ka pa yung domen?
Yan, di ko kaya ang ano kung dahon yung dahon.
Ito yung pako.
Ay, kaya manalag ka karulog mo sa imo ang kuan. Ang pako kay Bano. Kadurok-dok na yun.
Tapos na kayo magmumuha ng pako. Punta na kami sa bahay ni Sir. Ito yung bahay ni Sir.
This is what we harvested this morning. And these are known as fern in English, but here in our place, this is known as pako. There are different kinds of pako, but this one, this kind of fern or pako, is the one which are being harvested and used as gulay to be served as viand. So, this is what I could say. Thank you. So, we started already getting the soft part of this fern or pako. Only this one, this part, as long as still the part is soft. If it is already hardened, then you are going to stop cutting the part. So, as you can see here, I have two assistants here. They are very expert when it comes to choosing the part of the fern where it is still soft. So later, as they finish this fern, the other member, Miss Yeritwazon, will be the one who is going to grate the coconut. So far, we have two coconuts here, two pieces of coconut. As you can see,
Sakit-sakit na ngayon.
so this will be divided into halves and then it will be grated. There is a certain thing that we are going to use in order to grate this coconut. Then later on, we are going to let you see how Tano will grate this. And then, after that, he's going to squeeze the coconut. Okay. So, see you later.
Ano yan? Squeeze. Sakit ka ngayon.
Hindi ka pa mag-
Hindi, kaysa sabihin ko yung pag namukha na. See? That is how we divide the coconut into halves.
Wag mo tinawag galing ka mabalikin sa ay, ang sabaw, wait lang. Magkakita mo ng sabaw.
So this is the first coconut. Now let's have the second one. Here it is. Okay, so
Coconut nga.
Potatoes, no?
Ba.
great.
Ay, my God.
Ito ba sa taas man ay masarap mo? Yeah. Oh, another. So the coconut water could be also used as a actually that is a medicine eh. The coconut water. This is the grater. And of course, she's going to here, I mean.
Greater than greater.
She's going to start grating the coconut using this grater. Okay, you start, Bebe. Come on. As you can see, the coconut is starting to be grated. And later on, we could squeeze this in order to get the coconut milk. And that coconut milk will be used in cooking that fern or pako that we had harvested this morning. So later on, you could see how we are going to squeeze this coconut. And after that, you will see or watch at the same time how are we going to cook the fern. See you later. So we have here the smoked fish. We're going to remove the, what do you call that? I forgot in English, the tinik. Okay, so we have to remove it.
Turns. Ay,
Hindi.
diba?
Hindi tinik yun sa ano, halaman.
Pins.
Hindi. Ano yan?
Palikpik.
Palikpik. I forget the term actually. So, fish bones. Okay, that is the right term. So, we remove it from the fish bones. I hope it is correct. And we're going to include this in cooking the pako or the fern. We are going to include also at the same time the head of the smoked fish. In our term, this is known as tinapa. But in English, it is called as smoked fish. So we bought this in the market to be included in our cooking. So you are now watching how Tano squeeze the grated coconut. And that coconut milk that we get from squeezing will be used in cooking the gulay na pako. See, this is the first squeezing. And as you can see, we are producing the first coconut milk.
Yummy.